You are so weak. He can't push.
Wow, what do you think about that?
He couldn't stop. Thomas, what happened to you?
Hello everyone. It's me, Thomas. Today we will watch an episode of Thomas and Friends, and a bonus of accidents will happen. Enjoy!
James, take the fireworks for the celebration. Thomas, you will work with the troublesome trucks. I am the best. I was chosen because I am the best.
Thomas pushed the freight cars.
Hello, Thomas. Will you work with us? Are you sure? You're a small engine.
Scruffy, don't bother me.
James, take the fireworks. Billy, take the cars with produce.
I was chosen because I am the best.
Thank you. I am ready.
The kids will like it. Oh no. What happened?
You broke down, James. Help is on the way.
You are so weak. He can't push.
Wow, what do you think about that?
He couldn't stop. Thomas, what happened to you?
Scruffy, what do you think about that? Don't bother me anymore.
Scruffy, always getting in trouble. Thomas, go and help James.
I am here to help the best engine.
It's not funny.
Let's go. The kids are waiting for us.
Don't stop. Oh no. The kids are waiting for us.
We are going to stop. No more accidents, James.
The kids have to rest. It is too late. Let's go. The kids will leave.
I have an idea.
This is the first firework.
Wow.
But, what is that? Wow. They are coming. Let's go, Thomas.
Where did these fruit come from?
Good job, the three of you. Wow.
The produce is on its way. Oh, no. Sheep, get out of there.
Billy, what did you bring?
This produce is very strange.
Where did that come from? Look at that. It's very nice.
Wow.
I wonder who lit these fireworks. Accidents will happen.
Oh no. I cannot stop. Help. I have to stop. My brakes are not working.
Stop, Gordon. Stop.
I cannot stop.
What are you doing, Gordon?
Help. I have to stop. Oh no.
It was so much fun. Do it again, Gordon.
Oh no. Strawberry jam. The indignity.
My brakes broke down. Oh no. What am I going to do? Timothy, I cannot stop. Sorry, Timothy. I have to stop. Help. I have to stop. Oh no, the tunnel.
Thomas, be careful.
I have to stop. Oh no.
What was that?
I stopped, at last.
Henry is out of control. It is so much fun.
Stop pushing.
It is not funny.
Let's go. Move. We have to cross. Move. Oh no. My brakes are not working. Take it easy. Careful. Engine will crash. Oh no. I am going to crash.
That is fun.
This is a disaster.
I cannot stop. Something broke down. Help! I can't stop. I have to stop.
James, what are you doing?
Hurry up. Oh no. Move out of the way. Oh no. I cannot stop.
Be careful. They are going to crash.
Oh no. Get out of my way. I hope I have not ruined my paint.
Bye-bye, Thomas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.